Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change file name extension Windows 10 easy method. Open File Explorer, click View, and enable file name extensions. Right-click the file, choose Rename, and change the characters after the last period. Confirm the new extension when prompted. If extensions are hidden in settings, toggle them on. For multiple files, use PowerShell with Rename item in a loop. Always backup files before changing extensions. Begin by opening File Explorer and navigating to the folder with your file. Click View and check File Name Extensions to reveal extensions. Select the file, press F2 or right-click Rename, then edit the text after the last period. Press Enter and accept the warning to change the program association. If you need to change multiple files, use a simple PowerShell script to batch rename extensions and carefully. If a file becomes unusable after changing the extension, restore the original extension from your backup. Use the Properties dialog to view file type details before renaming. For hidden system files, enable Show Hidden Items and uncheck Hide Protected Operating System Files temporarily. When renaming installers or archives, ensure the extension matches file contents to avoid errors. Consider using third-party batch rename tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.